Yeah, I was going to say we had a storm do major damage here in my area this morning. You can see whole streets were blocked. I mean, it was common sight. I lost power about 7 a.m. this morning. It's probably 4 or 5 o'clock. Still without power. They say we may be without power for 48 hours. And everything's probably going to ruin in my refrigerator and leave the deep freeze closed, and hopefully everything won't ruin in there. Hope they get this power back on, but yeah, I'm saying that there was a lot of real crazy stuff. There's a weather head that was pulled out. There's a service drop that was pulled out. There's part of the picture where the trees took out our power lines, and I'm going to brighten some of those up a little bit. Yeah, you can see, I mean, that tree right there, nobody had a chainsaw around here big enough. So I cut that whole tree up first thing this morning to get one of the main roads around here open and passable. That was impassable. And yeah, there was that service drop that was down. There's the power lines, that are in back of me. And there was a car got smashed right there. And I mean, that limb was 2.5 foot through right there. You see the car had got smashed. You see the car got smashed. There's a carport up under there, smashed down on the roof of that car. You can't see it, because that whole big tree came down on it. We had probably 80 to 90 mile per hour winds this morning, hail, and a flood. And look how big that tree is that smashed that car. There were trees on homes. I mean, up the hill from me, big trees were on top of homes. People lost their cars around here that got smashed. There's the tree that took out the power lines. That's the reason I don't have power. Or no, that was the one that was the one there behind me. There was another one that took out my power. Yeah, I was wrong, but I mean, we saw sights like that in the street everywhere around here this morning. And Walmart was without power. I think they're still without power. And I know that'll be a disaster if everything up there is to ruin. And hopefully all my stuff doesn't ruin, but I'm okay. I just thought I would let everybody know how it was going.